Hey guys, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing Baidu, but before we get into it, make sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button so you get all the updates I do on a weekly basis on Baidu, plus all your other favorite stocks. Then hit the bell notification, hit the like button. Doing those three things in combination lets YouTube know that you want to see all the updates and you enjoy the content. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for that. Let's get into the chart here. So we're here on the daily on Baidu in TradingView as always. Very, very simple, very straightforward chart, and it is apparently obvious what we need to see. It looks like we have a support, a zone of support here at around 174.21. And we have this downward sloping overhead resistance with three touch points, one here March 25th, one here April 9th, and then another one in June 29th. So this is pretty apparent to me. This is what we need to have happen to see upward continued price action, acceleration to the upside. We need to start seeing a series of higher highs, higher lows with a trend line in place to accelerate out of this wedge that is encapsulating prices here since March. So for now it looks like potentially we are going to just keep moving sideways for the next couple months maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of uncertainty and volatility that looks like breaking into the markets right now. So to me, a sideways move in Baidu for a couple months would be a big positive, especially if we were able to hold these levels at around 174 and we were able to just consolidate here and gain steam for a move to the upside, maybe sometime late September or October, something like that. But it is very clear we need to see a break of this downward sloping trendline resistance on the daily time frame to start building momentum back to the upside. Let's quickly just take a look at our momentum chart. You can see here, once again, very clear line in the sand. For Baidu to start gaining upward momentum, we do need to break above these levels here at around 11 and start trending to the upside, much like happened here. I'll just put another trend line there. You can see what happened here upon the breakout in December 10th, and then we just started accelerating momentum to the upside. That is exactly what I would like to see here as we were to break the 1035, 1036 level. That's on the daily. Quickly on the 4 hour, we got two lines of overhead resistance here, one downward sloping. This could be our very first sign of recovery if we are to break this to the upside here. And most importantly, this level here, break both of those to the upside. We are back above the zero line and able to get some positive momentum building to the upside with series of higher highs, higher lows, again, just like here in December 2020. That is what we need to see from Baidu. Very cut, very dry, very clear to me that as of right now, we are sort of moving sideways / down with waning momentum. We need to start building that momentum back up to the upside to break out of this downward sloping overhead resistance. Once that happens, we're off to the races. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, get all the updates I'm going to do over the coming weeks on the broad markets and especially Baidu. Some very exciting things in the works over the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you in the next video, and goodbye for now.